Behind every child who believes in himself is the parents who believed first. Raising a children is important things a person can do. Parenting is challenging and rewarding experience, and it's worth every single minute. Children are our future, and it's our responsibility to give them the best possible start in their life. Well, parenting matters, but how it influences your child's life. Watch this video till the end to know more, because I'm going to share with you best ways to strengthen the parent-child relation. Stay tuned. Once a parent will be the parent for the lifetime. With the birth of your child, you get the identity as a parent, and it's your responsibility to raise yourself as a parent. Being a parent is not easy because it's an evolving process. As a parent, we confront a lot of rewarding and challenging situations in every stage as our child grows. But I believe that this period is an opportunity for us to grow as a parent. Your child's social and emotional development depends on 3 factors, and here are they. Number 1, what kind of environment you provide to your child. Kids raised in an open environment encouraging parents tends to do better in the school and more likely to make better choices in their life. Well, what do I mean by open environment? Open environment means giving your child freedom to ask questions, freedom to explore their abilities. Their ideas and opinions are considered, where they get an opportunity to learn new skills, as well as parents who are actively involved in their training, growth and development. Apart from academic growth, parents should take time to train their kids some of the essential life skills such as emotional management, time management, money management, household chores, as well as important life values. So think about the last time you have involved yourself in training your child these important life skills. Or if you are working on any one of these or other essential life skills, then let me know in comments down below. I would like to know. Second factor is a family setup. We all live in different family setups, such as nuclear family, joint family, single parent family, blended family, extended family, etc. Your child experience nurture their feelings and behavior. In whichever family setup you live in, your child needs the presence of both parents for guidance. So what is your family setup? Let me know in comments down below. The third factor is your parenting style. A child's behavior is also influenced by the parenting style you choose. There are different parenting styles and they have their own pros and cons. But it's better that both parents follow the same parenting style. What is your parenting style? Let me know in comments down below. If you don't know your parenting style or you're not sure which parenting style is right for you, then don't worry, I got you covered. Check out my video on the same. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Watch that video after watching this video. Being a parent requires immense amount of love, patience and dedication. Parents are tasked not only provide their kids financially but also emotionally and mentally. As a parent, we always think, how can I give my child a better lifestyle? But have you ever thought about what are the emotional needs of my child and how can I meet them? Every child needs these 7 things from both the parents. Number 1, unconditional love. Yes, parents' love is the only love that is truly unconditional, forgiving and selfless. Every parent loves their children, but it's also important to express your love for your child through your words, action and gestures. Starting your child's day with the hugs and kisses will help your child to start their day positively. Spending quality time with your child, sharing their tiny happiness and sometimes waking up your inner child and just be in the moment. Enjoy the activity that you're doing with your kids, such as playing with them in the water or bike riding with them, etc. And the most importantly is that at the end of the day, let your child know that I love you the way you are. I'm happy to have you in my life. Your unconditional love will bring positivity in their life and shape their personality. Undivided attention. Listening and undivided attention is the best gift that you can give it to your child. Children, including adults, needs undivided attention when they are communicating with someone. So children also needs undivided attention even more often. So it's best to spend a dedicated time with your child with no distraction and no one else around. If you're busy in any work, it's always best to pause and respond to your child and let them know that you need some more time before you talk to them. For example, if you're on the phone and your child wants to talk to you, then you pause and respond to them and let them know, then I will get back to you after finishing this call. Meanwhile, why don't you find your favorite fire truck or color this picture? Or you can ask them for help. For example, if you are loading the laundry and your child wants to talk to you, then let your child know that I would love to hear you after I finish loading this laundry. Meanwhile, would you like to help your mom in doing the same? Before moving on, I would like to share that if you're looking for the fun and interesting toys for your kids, then definitely check out my Amazon store. I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. What's the age of your child? Let me know in comments down below. I always search for the interesting products for kids and add it to my Amazon store, so you can focus on buying rather than searching. Moving on. Let me remind you, yelling, nagging and punishing are not the best ways to deal with your child. Your child is growing and every experience contributes to their mental development. If you want your child to be emotionally strong and respect you, then you must first respect your child as an individual. Remember that your child needs your love and guidance to grow. I remember once saying in this context, raise your words, not your voice. It is the rain that grows flowers and not thunder. If you agree, then hit that like button. Acceptance. Every child is unique. They are the best version of themselves. So accept your child the way they are. Acknowledging and validating their feelings are equally important because you are the first contact for them for their emotional needs. Constructively appreciate and praise their efforts and achievements. Belonging. Every person needs to feel that they belong to their family. They are a part of the family. When your child feels that they belong to the family, they start feeling good about themselves. They accept who they are, and it also reflects in their behavior, academic performance as well as health. So do common activities with your child every day, such as reading books. Make it as a bedtime routine. Significance. Every child needs to feel worthy that their thoughts, opinions and beliefs matters. This can be done with active listening and validation. Provide your child the freedom to be independent. Ask them for help around the house, involve them in discussion, ask for their opinions, etc. So whenever we plan our vacation, we ask our children their preference. In our day-to-day activities, whenever we go for grocery shopping, we ask for their choices, etc. So find the ways through which you can involve your kids in day-to-day activities that happens in your family. Sense of security. Your child's sense of security is not grounded on how perfect you are, but in the quality of relationship that you have with your child. For their emotional development, they need to feel safe and secure. So provide your child the safe and secure environment in which they will thrive, grow and learn. Whenever you put effort to provide these to your child, it contributes to develop your parent-child relationship as well as it helps your child to be emotionally strong. You might have heard about this experiment. Take 2 plants and for the next 7 days, for the first plant, use positive word while talking to the plant, and for the second plant, use the negative words while talking to the plant. After 7 days, a plant with the positive words will flourish, whereas the plant with the negative words will fall apart. So while communicating with your kids, make sure to use the right set of words with a positive encouragement, and you will see the result on the same. Remember, every relation needs time to flourish. So the more time you invest with your kids, it will help in building parent-child relationship. Be available and attentive for your child. Plan activities together. So make a family calendar. Learn new skills with your kids. And look around for the kids events that are happening in your town so that you can have fun time together. As well as, most importantly, wake up your inner child and be messy with your kids. So what is your favorite activity that you do with your kids? Let me know in comments down below. Freebie alert! I would like to share with you one thing, that if you have Preschoolers an app, then I have created a free spring printable. So go and get it. It's absolutely free. Check out the description box below. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. See you next time.